Welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. My name is Chris, and today I'm your host. Well, I'm always your host. Workstation player is having some issues. It's laggy as crap, and I know this machine's powerful enough to handle it. Click New. Name, we're going to call it PopOS. ISO image, we're going to select the one that we downloaded earlier, downloads, and then we're going to click Next. Okay, now memory, we're going to give it about 8 gig right there. We're going to give it a couple. I have plenty of CPUs, so we're going to give it 2. This size 25 gig looks good to me. Next, finish. Okay, let's start it. Yeah, that's working 20 times better, dude. Now, I'm not sure what was going on, man. That thing was like, so it started up, but it was laggy and it crashed a couple times. So this is the new one that I'm going to do is VirtualBox so that y'all can see kind of how to install it. You literally just type in VirtualBox, go to the website and click download. It's literally that simple. Oh, that is so much faster than the other one. Select, next, 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 next. Yeah, and I don't know why it keeps doing that too. It's like, we're going to do my name. Yep, that looks good. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Did y'all see that? See, that just goes to show you, though, that everything doesn't always go the way you want. I mean, sometimes this stuff, it just, for whatever reason, does not work the way it should. I mean, it just happens that way sometimes. Sometimes the installation goes perfect. Sometimes it doesn't. So one thing I can tell you is that if you have issues with it, then start over. But this one, it seemed to fix it once it shut it down and started over again. Okay, and I'll be back in a minute. And everybody, that was much, much faster than the VMware one. That was much faster. So there's something, they must have changed something, because when VMware Workstation Player 16 was going, it was excellent. It worked perfectly. Wonder if they changed the support a little bit or changed something. But y'all can see this is all a virtual machine is. It's running inside of another machine. That's all a virtual machine is. So basically, in case y'all didn't know, what I'm going to be doing is, well, let's get through this. Next, 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 next. Yeah, I don't care. Next, looks good. And we're going to do that. And then next, skip, start using. We're going to go to our, Pop Shop. Oh, yeah, this is so much faster, dude. So much faster. Okay, this is just cray-cray. Okay, let's go. Come on. I don't think Intel likes this too much. I'd rather do the sudo apt update, everybody. That's the freaking command for it. And it just works better. Uh-oh. Oopsie doopsie. Wrong password. That's literally all you have to do. Then we go. So what it's saying is 209 packages can be upgraded. So we just change that to upgrade and hit enter. Click yes and enter. That's all we got to do. That'll do the updates on it. And so now we have to find a video editing program in, let's see. Okay, so we're going to adjust this stupid display resolution real quick. See, that thing's snappy. It is running on my, okay, there we go. We're going to apply that. There we go. Yeah. And then we're going to do F11. That's not, let's see, it'd be function F11. Or we're just going to leave it like that. File, let's see, view, full screen mode. There we go. Switch. Okay, here we go. See, okay, now that we got that straightened out, now what we're going to do is we're going to find an editing program that we can use. Now, I don't know what is a good one. I have literally no idea. So we're just going to do this together. How about that, y'all? We're going to search for, in here, editing program. Let's see. We better do video editing program. Oh my goodness, for PopOS. Let's try that. And then we're going to do I've heard Kdenlive is really good. See, shortcut, let's use Kdenlive. So we're going to do, we're going to go to the Pop Shop here. And we're going to go get Kdenlive. I have no idea what is this thing freaking doing. Come on. Oh, my goodness. You know what? No, we don't want to power it off. We want to reboot it. I don't know what in the crap is going on here. This is cray-cray right here. But see, if we try to do it on the server doesn't have enough power to do it. I don't have a video card that I can actually use to do this with. Okay, other than my 4070. What in the crap, man? That's the right password. I know good and well it is. Okay, now that we're back, we're going to go to the Pop Shop here. Pop Shop. Okay, now we're going to go here to search in apps. And we're going to type in Kden. Is that how you spell it? Kden. Oh, shoot. Kden. Oh, crap. Okay, let's go back here. So let's go to Kden. So we're going to do Kdenlive. I don't even know if that's how you spell it. Kdenlive. There we go. Oh, so it's Kden. Okay, There we go. Let's install that. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And until the next video, everybody, thank y'all for watching. Remember that the Lord loves you and so do I. And until next time, peace, everybody.